Hello guys, I'm Cristallo, and in this video I will show you how to make Future House drop by using FL Studio stock plugins. First, set the BPM to 128 and delete limiter from master channel, and then set the swing to 41%. Now I will load a piano and make a drop melody. Add layer of plucks. On pluck channel I have EQ for cutting and boosting some frequencies, and a blood overdrive for distortion, and sound goodizer for saturation, and another EQ for cutting low end, peak controller and fruity reverb, a gross beat for side chaining plucks, and a last EQ for cutting low frequencies. Now add some layers of bassline. On bassline channel I have transient processor for giving some attack, and EQ for cutting lows, and a gross beat for side chaining. Now add piano for chords. Now add some drums and effects. Now the final result.